Hi guys! For today's video, mag-prepare po tayo ng ating soup. For dinner, ito ay papaya soup with pork bones and chicken feet. So first, we have to prepare our papaya. And then, we have also the carrots. And also the pork bones. Meron din tayong ito white fungus. Dried po siya. Meron tayong peanut. And also, we have the koik seeds. I don't know kung ano to sa Tagalog. And also, we have the white dates or the sweet dates. Meron tayong chicken feet. And also, syempre, meron tayong pinakulang tubig. And first, we have to lagay na natin yung mga ingredients natin sa pinakulong tubig. And then, lastly, ilagay natin yung white fungus kapag malapit na siya maluto. And charan, this is it.